Hello and what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can see, basically I have the 20,000 mAh delay right here, and I also have the 10,000 mAh as well. You thought previously saw the unboxing of the 20,000 mAh. It's more like a test review of how the thing looks like. This is similar to this, they're almost the same height, but for me this feels heavier than the 20,000 mAh one. 10,000 isn't that heavy like than the 10,000 mAh, although it isn't actually 10,000 mAh. For this is actually 12,800 mAh. It's a very good power bank. Also very efficient in charging your phone fast. That's fast charging technology, as you can see here, to the 2.5 watts fully. When I'm charging these power banks itself, I use this charger to charge them. Like I showed you in the unboxing video, this is a quick charge 3.0 charger like I use. To those that don't understand what this means, this is actually a charger that does quick charging technology. QC, that's quick charge. Qualcomm quick charge 3.0. So it actually increases the voltage depending on the kind of things you want to charge. But this might drive a lot of power, so it might increase the voltage to charge it to the desired percentage. So from JUMIA, product original, you can see it in here. There's not much I want to say about it. Maybe I can do a comparison test, like how long they can last charging phones or something like that. You can try and buy this on JUMIA. I don't know how much the price will be now, but I've changed. But that's that for that. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Maybe I can read the specs out for you guys to know. So this one rates stats. Model is PL206. So the capacity is 20,000 mAh, 2.5 watts, same as this, the junior one, 10,000 mAh, like 12,800. So this is micro USB and Type-C input. So with the micro USB here and Type-C here for inputs, but I don't know actually if this micro USB, this Type-C for 20,000 mAh is actually for in and out. But this one I already know that this Type-C for this 10,000 mAh one is for in and also out. I'm going to try that as well. Maybe I should try that right now. So continuing, so it has a capacity of 10,000 mAh, 2.5 watt micro and Type-C input, DC 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 2 amps, 12 volts, 1.5 amps. So we can also charge the 12 volt device with this power bank as well. So we say USB output is 5 volts, 3 amp, 9 volts, 2 amp as well, and 12 volts, 1.5 amp. So basically you have two USB right here. It will deliver both of them. Both deliver 12 and 5 volts to 12 volts respectively. Once it's in 5 volts, it gives 3 amps, which is also very efficient with modern charging devices now. While this Type-C, it gives in 3 amps as well, because this is Type-C in and out. So basically you can actually charge 3 devices with these power banks. So it's a very good power bank for the price from JUMIA. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. The same building specs sheet on this power bank model, this 20,000 mAh, is the same as this as well. This one is Type-C, 5 volt, 3 amps, Type-C, USB 2.5 volts, USB 2, that's the USB 2 here, this 2 here, 5 volt, 3 amps as well. So it can also be increased to, it doesn't need only charge the 5 volt device, it charge the 12 volt device as well. So that's basically what I want to say. So thanks for watching guys. For those that said I should do a review or something like that, this is your review. Hope you like it.